Good morning, boys and girls. Today we will be learning how to add together. When we add together, there is a special sign that we will see. It is called the plus sign. The plus sign looks like a common T. When we add together, our numerals get larger. Okay? Now let me show you an example of what I mean. Before we know how to add, we have to know our numerals. So that is numeral 2. That is the plus sign. Plus 1. This is the equal sign and our box to put our answer in. When we are adding together, we can read the math. 2 plus 1. What does that mean? Means that we put 2 circles over here and 1 over here. And then we count up everything. 1, 2, 3. And we will put our answer in the box. Another way we can learn how to count is by using an addition board. Okay? And we're going to be using the same math problem that we used before. 2 plus 1. Now on our addition board, we will be using some counters. Good. So over here, I'm going to drop 2 of my counters. 1, 2. And over here, I'm going to drop 1. Good. So we can now see that 2 plus 1 will come together and make 3. Okay? So this is how we're learning how to add together this morning. We can change the numerals and we can put up other numerals. 3 plus 1. In here, we can put 3 counters and then 1 counter. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 over this side. And 1 over this side. Good. Now we can count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1 equals 4. Good job.